talk about the domain of rational functions. So the domain, what we want to do is we want to find those excluded values. So we want to find first what makes the bottom equal 0. So we want to find what makes the bottom equal 0. So there you go. So that, because that can't equal 0. So x can't be 3. So x can't be 3. So I have to find the domain. Here's the thing. X could be anything you want, but it can't be 3. So how do I express that in the terms of the domain? It could go from negative infinity to 3, union 3 to infinity. 3 does not have braces with it. Basically, it's going from negative infinity to positive infinity. Every value of x is possible except for 3. So everything up until 3 is possible. Everything after 3 is possible, but 3 is not. So the domain, basically, whatever your excluded value is, you just put in this spot, and then you just put unions in between them. So that's going to be my domain. So it's everything up until 3, and then everything after 3 I can have. I just can't have 3. If I have 3, then it's not going to happen. Set the bottom equals 0. X squared minus 9. Can I apply the Kimber property? I could do square roots too. Kimber, how's that factor? Yes. X minus 3. So you can set those equal to 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Plus 3, x cannot equal. I should put a slash to the equal sign there because it can't be those values. Can't be negative 3, can't be 3. All right. Now, how will I write the domain this time? I can't have negative 3, can't have 3. So I'll do negative infinity to what? Or negative 3 first. Union, negative 3 to what? 3. Yeah. So you just basically go for it's can't be negative 3, can't be 3. So there's going to be, in this case, there'll be asymptotes in the graph. We'll talk about that later. So anytime you have an excluded value, you're making that to leave it out. You're kind of not including it. Okay, I'll take a roll. People don't like showing up to school today. All right, now the next one, this is a little goofy. X squared plus 9 equals 0. That is factorable, but not with real numbers. I can subtract 9. X squared equals negative 9. Square root. What do you do when you have a negative under a square root? Take an eye out with the square root of 9. That's not a real answer. Well, guess what? Dumbed down version, there's no way you can make the bottom equal 0 here. You can't do it with a real number. Like, you can't do it with a real number and make that equal 0, because you can't square something and add 9 to it and make it equal 0 with a real number. So this will just be negative infinity to positive infinity. Because every value, there's not going to be any values you can't have on this one. So that one's good.